Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. BJP's national leadership tips Chief Minister Parrikar for a bigger role during 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Asks Parrikar to lead NDA. Parrikar says no. Ringleader of illegal mining gang Rajesh Faldesai surrenders. Mines Department shifts crucial documents within 6 hours of his arrest. Sources say Rajesh's confession can put many bigwigs in trouble. Union Minister for Science and Technology no more. 67-year-old Vilasrao Deshmukh dies after multiple organ failure. Funeral on Wednesday. Israelis and Russians with criminal backgrounds must be kept out of Goa, demands Eduardo Falero, calls them threat to local culture and value systems. Tenders are finally ready for upgradation of Tilak Maidan and Nehru Stadium. SAG admits administrative hiccups resulted in waste of time. And immediate qualification for I-League is NRB Vasco's target, says President Nitin Bandekar. Now the news in detail. National leadership of the BJP has tipped Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for a bigger role during 2014 Lok Sabha election. Sources from Delhi have confirmed that the Goa Chief Minister has been asked to shoulder responsibility of the entire NDA. In simple terms, this responsibility can make Parrikar the prime ministerial candidate for the National Democratic Alliance. However, Chief Minister has dismissed possibility of any such development.
नाही पयलीं म्हणजे नॅशनल लेवलचेर बजेट हांव देशाचो फायनान्स मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो जाल्यार म्हजे एंगल वेगळे आसतले.
This might come as a shock to you or a sweet surprise. Highly influential sources from Delhi have confirmed to Prudent that national leadership of Bharatiya Janata Party has asked Goa CM Manohar Parrikar to be ready for a prime role in 2014. Sources say that Parrikar is looked upon as a consensus choice of the NDA for Prime Minister's post in the wake of Narendra Modi, Nitish Kumar, Cold War and a divided NDA. NDA is looking out for an acceptable face which is pro-development, secular and someone who can appeal middle-class intelligentsia. Parrikar's firebrand image, IIT education and all-inclusive policies have made him a front-runner in this crucial race. Sources say that CM Parrikar received the intimation during last weekend. However, he is yet to react positively to the proposal. When Prudent contacted CM, this is what he said. There is no truth in such news. I have no interest in central politics. I want to concentrate on development of Goa. NDA's divided house may need Parrikar at this moment, but the man has already announced his retirement plans and have showed least interest in union politics. Will this proposal from the top BJP leadership die an early death, or will Parrikar shoulder the prime responsibility? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Rajesh Faldesai, prime accused in smuggling of iron ore, surrendered on Tuesday. He is the ringleader of the gang involved in illegally selling the iron ore extracted from a mine at Kule. Incidentally, Mines Department shifted many crucial documents to an undisclosed location within 6 hours of Rajesh's arrest. Sources say that Rajesh's confession can put many bigwigs in trouble.
Accused Rajesh Faldesai have today surrendered before Sangam Court and applied for bail, regular bail application. And Honorable Jamesu Sangam was kind enough to reject the bail. And I have taken the custody of the accused Rajesh Faldesai. And I'll see whether he is cooperating in the investigation.
Remand
first, I'll see whether he is cooperating in the investigation, and then I'll place him under arrest, and then the remand will follow.
Incidentally, Mines Department shifted some of its crucial documents to an undisclosed location within 6 hours of Rajesh's arrest. Surprisingly, charge of these documents was given to Sandhya Gupta, who was earlier suspended in a corruption case. Earlier on 25th June, Kudai police had arrested 6 truck owners from smuggling iron ore from G.N. Agarwal company run by Fomento. Police had seized a truck and a car used in this crime. Case of criminal breach of trust was registered against the culprits. From Panji, our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar, reporter Mayur Naik and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. Union Minister of Science and Technology Vilas Rao Deshmukh passed away on Tuesday. The 67-year-old former Maharashtra Chief Minister was ill due to kidney and liver failure. He was declared dead on Tuesday afternoon. Both houses of parliament were adjourned following this news. Deshmukh's funeral will be held at his native village, Babalgaon in Latur, Maharashtra on Wednesday.
Deshmukh was reported critically ill with kidney and liver failures and was on life support in Chennai hospital. He was undergoing treatment at Global Hospitals, a super specialty hospital in Chennai due to deterioration in his condition. Doctors were treating Deshmukh for a serious liver ailment and were looking for a liver donor to carry out a transplant on him. An attempt to harvest liver from a brain-dead donor from a government hospital in Chennai had proved futile as the man died before doctors could operate on him on Monday night. Vilasrao Dagadojirao Deshmukh was born on May 26, 1945. He was the Minister of Science and Technology and Minister of Earth Sciences. Vilasrao Deshmukh was a member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha. He had previously held the post of Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj Government of India and Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises Government of India. Vilasrao Deshmukh was 2 times Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He is survived by his wife Vaishali Deshmukh and he has 3 sons, Amit, Ritesh and Dheeraj. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.